Hello everyone, today we're going to create a simple Python calculator perfect for absolute beginners. Before we get started, if you enjoy the content, please like, comment and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's begin. For this Python calculator, you'll need a basic understanding of if-else statements and loops. We'll first create a variable named operator, which will take input from the user for the operation to perform, like add for plus, sub for minus, multi for multiply, and divide for divide. Next, we'll create two operands num1 and num2, like this num1 enter first number, and num2 enter second number. Let's test what we've done so far by printing num1 plus num2. For example, if we enter plus as the operator, 10 as the first number, and 21 as the second, we'll get 1021 instead of 31. This happens because the input function in Python returns a string, and using plus on strings concatenates them instead of adding. To perform addition, we need to typecast num1 and num2 to float. Let's test it again, enter plus, 12 as the first number, and 3 as the second. Now we get 15, so everything is working correctly. Now, I'll remove the print statement and add a colon. If the operator equal plus, we'll add the numbers. For that, we'll create a variable result num1 plus num2 and then print the result. To save time, I'll copy this if statement and paste it for the other operators, changing plus to minus, multiply, and divide as needed. Let's test our calculator. If we divide 788 by 878, we'll get a long floating point number. We can round it using Python's round function. I'll quickly adjust the print statements. Now, if we check again, dividing 788 by 878, we get 1, which is a rounded result. If we want up to 3 decimal points, we can add 3 in the round statement. As you can see, it works. Next, if we want the calculator to keep running, we can use a while loop with true as the condition. We'll select all the code below the loop and press tab to make it part of the loop. Now, the calculator can run indefinitely due to the true condition. Let's quickly test each operation. Now, what if we want to quit? We'll create another variable exit, which takes input from the user Q to quit and C to continue. We'll add an if statement. If exit equal Q, will break the loop. But if the user enters a lowercase q, the program will continue. To handle this, we'll use the .upper function on the exit variable during input, so the user can enter either uppercase or lowercase. Finally, what if the user enters an invalid operator, like pizza? We'll add an else statement to print not a valid operator. Now, if the user enters an invalid operator, they'll get a proper message. And that's it. We now have a fully functional Python calculator. I hope you learned something new today. Please leave a comment below to let me know what you liked about the video and what you learned. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.